Hey guys, this is Miss Betty, and I am super excited today because I am in a collab with one of my friends at home with Lady Cinnamon. Now, on her channel, she does decoration, home decor, shop with me, furnish upcycling, home tour, artwork, and so much more. I will be leaving her link below, so go over and show her some love and tell her Miss Betty sent you. Now, we're going to get to cooking us some good old strawberry cupcakes. So, here we go. Next, we're going to put our liners in these cute Valentine's. We're going to need two of these trays. Next, we're going to go ahead and chop up our strawberries. Probably 10 to 12 should be enough. And then I got my little chopper. I could chop these up with my knife, but I'm going to go ahead and use my chopper. If you don't have a chopper, you can always use a knife to make sure they're real fine. 1 cup. And this is the way they should look. put this topping on. I'm not good at this, so y'all just kind of bear with me. Okay, here we go. You're supposed to start in the center. Then you work your way out. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put some little strawberries on top. Don't forget to go over and see my friend, Lady Cinnamon. I will leave her link below because I know she got some good treats. I did my best, but I know she did even better. She know how to do all of that. Okay. All right, I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope y'all have a safe day. And always remember that God do love you so much. And so do I. Y'all be blessed and be safe. I'm going to say bye-bye. I'm going to take some after films. Bye-bye.